Deleting checks in QuickBooks Online can feel time-consuming during cleanup, reconciliation fixes, or when you need to remove duplicate or incorrectly recorded payments. If you need to clean up your check transactions, doing it one by one takes time, and it is easy to miss something. In this video, I will show you how to delete checks in bulk from QuickBooks Online using SaasAnt. You can filter the checks you want, review them, and remove them in one step instead of opening each transaction manually. To start 30-day free trial of SaasAnt, just click the link in the description to get started today. Now, inside QuickBooks Online, go to Apps, search for SaasAnt, and install it. Approve the connection, and you land SaasAnt Dashboard. After logging in and connecting your QuickBooks company with SaasAnt, go to Delete. You will see two options, Delete by searching and Delete by reference. Delete by searching helps you filter and select checks using conditions like date or amount. Delete by reference helps you delete specific checks directly using known check numbers or references. Let's choose Delete by searching. On the filter screen, select Checks as the transaction type. Next, choose your date type. Use transaction date, created date, or last updated date based on what you want to filter. Set your date range to narrow down the check transactions. Click Search to load the results. SaasAnt will display the matching checks in a table. Review the results carefully and select the checks you want to delete. You can select multiple checks at once. Before clicking Delete, download a backup of the selected records in CSV or Excel format. Now, click Delete. You will see a confirmation pop-up asking if you want to delete the selected transactions. Click OK to proceed. SaasAnt will process the deletion and show the results summary. After deletion, you will see the success status along with the deleted records. The deleted data will remain available for download for the next 2 days, so make sure you download it within this time frame. To verify the results, go back to QuickBooks Online. Open the check transaction or run a report and confirm that the selected checks are no longer available. You can delete checks in bulk using SaasAnt instead of opening each one in QuickBooks Online. It's useful for cleanup, fixing duplicates, or correcting errors. Try the free trial for your next cleanup.